NounsArticles. As in English, nouns refer to people, places, things, or ideas. In Spanish, nouns are either masculine or feminine. Typically, nouns that end in a, tad, dad, sion, and ora are feminine. Also, nouns that end in o, ma, ese, and or are masculine. To make nouns that end in a vowel plural, we add an s, and an es to nouns that end in consonants. Nouns are used with feminine or masculine articles. An article is a word that means the, a, an, or some. Let's take a look at some examples in the tables that follow. So, focusing on the Spanish articles, or the words the, a, an, and some. In Spanish, there are 4 ways of saying the. Let's start with the first. El is the masculine singular way of saying the. Los is the masculine plural. La is the feminine singular. And las is the feminine plural. Un expresses a. It is the masculine singular way of expressing a. To say some in Spanish, we say unos. Unos is the masculine plural. Una expresses a, it is the feminine singular. And unas expresses some, it is also feminine and plural. Alright, so some examples with these articles. Let's start off with the noun man. If we wanted to say the man, we'll notice the word hombre. Hombre is singular, and it's also masculine. So we'll choose el if we want to express the. So el hombre, the man. Los hombres, the men. Again, we look at hombres, we see that it's masculine, but plural. So we're going to choose the masculine plural form of the word the, which is los. Un hombre, a man. Unos hombres, some men. Taking the noun woman, which is mujer. To say the woman, we say la mujer. Again, because there's one and it's feminine. Las mujeres, the women. Notice that we're adding an es to the noun that ends in a consonant to make it plural. Una mujer, a woman. Unas mujeres, some women. Let's take some objects that aren't human, such as car or carro. El carro means the car. Again, carro, singular and masculine. Los carros, the cars. Un carro, a car. And unos carros, some cars. The word table, which is mesa. In Spanish, we have la mesa, the table. Las mesas, the tables. Una mesa, a table. And unas mesas, some tables. So, a couple of aspects to remember with these is to make sure and get the correct form of the article, and also make sure and choose the correct ending, singular or plural, for the noun that is being used. Alright, as with many languages, there are always some exceptions. Here are some words that are hard to remember or that break the rules. First off, we have el día. Even though the noun día ends in an a, it is masculine. It uses the el article. La mano is hand. El programa is program. Remember that nouns that end in ma are masculine. La foto is actually short for la fotografía. Fotografía ends in an a and is feminine, simply because it was shortened to foto doesn't change its article. It is still la foto. The same can be said for motorcycle. The word for motorcycle is motocicleta, which ends in an A. But it was shortened, or it can be shortened, to moto. So we say la moto. El idioma, again ending in MA, which makes it masculine. El mapa. El policía is a police man. If we wanted a police woman, we would say la policía. El problema, ending in MA. La radio. And el sistema. Sistema ending in MA. Alright, so watch out for some of these words that are hard to remember or that simply break the rules. And other than that, learn the articles and learn the plural and singular endings for the nouns.